Wanna get it in the fridge? 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 Okay, where's the crunkies? Where's the crunkies? Where the crunkies at, yeah? Where the crunkies at, yeah? Hey, man, where the crunkies at? Oh, me crunkies in the building, in the facility. Oh, the crunkies. Crunk, you suck. Crunky's bad. I said crunk. Crunky, crunk, crunk. When Crunk falls down the stairs, it goes. And when Crunk die, he goes. And when Crunk is like, and then the Crunk, and the Crunk, and the Crunk go like, Crunk, and then the Crunk goes. And the crunk, that's all the crunk, but like when the crunk go, and the crunk die, so just crunk go, and crunk go, crunk go, and crunk go, crunk go, and crunk go, crunk go. Man, I love the smell of freezers straight from Buy Right. Crunk, crunk, crunk. Crunk is bad. Bad. Crunk is bad. You may not think it, but he is bad. Of course you think it. Of course you think it. Crunk is bad. Crunk is bad. Crunk is bad. I shot his dad. Crunk is bad. I will smack Crunk? Yeah, I'll smack Crunk. Totally. When Crunk do the funny joke, nothing happened. Because Crunk died, he fell down the mountain. Crunky dead because he is dead, and Crunky dead because he is dead. Crunk is dead, and Crunk is dead. Crunk has exploded. Crunky, he is the Crunky man. The Crunky man. I have all my Crunkies, and the Crunky is Crunky. Crunky bad. He's bad. Crunk bad. Bad. Crunk bad. Bad. Crunk bad. I slap him and I shove a ruler up his crunky hole. Hear that, folks? Crunk is bad.